This is the Tamiya German HANOMAG Sdkfz251/1. It's a 135th military miniature series, number 20. So take a look at the box first. It has the same picture around. A couple of the Tamiya tanks that you're interested in. And let's see what we have inside. Alright, starting off we have the shell, sprue with some decals, another sprue with figures, and let's grab the instructions. Oh, now I see some tracks in there. Okay, we have, as with a lot of Tamiya kits that I've seen, we have two different sets of instructions. One's in Japanese and one is in English. So we'll look at the English one, and it gives us our sheet, gives us our tree call out, parts numbers, perfect. We have some pictures of the model, or the actual, looks like here, is built. Color call outs, samples, decal layouts, decals for Africa Corps, or looks like if you're fighting in Europe. It looks very nice, easy to follow. Some more information about the vehicles. Now for the sprues, okay, two sprues here, and some decals. So it looks like they give you the assortment of numbers. You can number anything you like. Africa Corps, different plates. This gives you several different options on how to, theme your vehicle. Pretty good detail. I know this is an older kit. The copyright on the box said 1973. So, and it says 1973 on the sprue. These look like the road wheels. Very nice. Next sprue, this is sprue A. Which looks like it gives us the exterior. And some light here. Details for the hatch. Looks good. I don't see any extra flashing or anything. It's very nice. And then we have the figures go along with it. So, figures, some pretty good detail. Especially with this being an older kit, it actually looks very nice. With the guns. And then we just have the standard Tamiya rubber tracks. Those worked out. And of course their new lacquer paint sheet. There, if anyone's interested in seeing that. And that's it with this. I also was looking online on Wikipedia page for this actual vehicle, the Sdkfz251. There's a lot of information about it, so if you're interested in seeing engine sizes, different types, they had numerous different types of these vehicles. They were basically armored truck transport vehicles they were using. They tried, as with the half tracks, which didn't end up catching on, they thought it would be good for off-road, but be drivable for the streets, and they don't make them anymore, so I think that answers that question. So thank you for watching. I'm going to enjoy building this. I also have a PAX gun that I did a review for that I'm going to go along with that. I think it'll work out great. On that gun, it actually shows this particular vehicle as the tow vehicle for it, so it should be a nice build. And thank you for watching.